Make this smoke circle effect in After Effects. Stop by right clicking on this gray space and go to New and Shape Layer. Now expand this shape layer by clicking on this arrow. Now go to Add and choose Ellipse. And also make sure to add a stroke. Now expand stroke 1 and keyframe stroke width, while making sure that the play is at the start of the timeline. And then change the stroke value to 100. Now move forward a bit and change the stroke width to 0. Now use this arrow next to stroke width to navigate to the first keyframe in the timeline. Now scroll down and expand transform. Simply keyframe scale and then change the value to 0. Now navigate to the second stroke keyframe by using this arrow again. And then change the scale value until you're happy with the size of the circle. Now scroll to the top and select the layer and then press U to show the keyframes. Then select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. This will make the animation more smooth. And as you can see, the animation is way too slow and we can fix it by going over to the graph editor. Now click on the stroke width text to show the graph. Now right click and make sure that you're in a speed graph. Now click on the rectangle to show these lines that we can use to manipulate the graph. For this animation, you simply need to drag both these lines to the center, or simply so the influence value is set to 100%. And by the way, also make sure that you don't drag these lines down like this, and instead make sure that they snap to the top of the graph. Now change the next graph by clicking on the scale text, and then click on the rectangle and drag both these lines to the center again, and then exit the graph editor. Almost done with this effect. We just need to make it look more like smoke. And we can do this by going over to the effects panel and search roughen edges and apply it to the shape layer. Now in effects controls, simply change the edge type to spike to get this sort of spiky look in the circle, and then continue playing around with all the other settings in the panel. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.